Case name Tarun, age is 20 years and today date is 15th of July 2024. Complaint of high pitch voice. Tarun, I want speech sample before treatment. Tell about your problem.
My name is Tarun Rangnath. I have high pitch voice problem. I am from Bangalore itself.
Tell your hobbies.
My hobby is playing football, playing BGMI.
Post therapy video of Tarun and today date is 22nd July 2024. Tarun, I want speech sample after treatment. Why you came here and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
Myself Tarun Rangnath. I came here for voice therapy for Sanjay Sir Speech Center.
Sanjay Speech Hearing and Rehabilitation Center.
SLP Sanjay Sir Speech Center and Rehabilitation Center. I totally feel so confident and I got really new voice after that.
So when you are calling especially on the phone, what reactions you are getting from your friends and family members?
My friends don't recognize on the audio call. I will
कन्नड़ा में बताइए मतलब क्या हो रहा है जब आप बात कर रहे हैं दोस्तों को कैसे क्या रिएक्शंस आ रहे हैं
ಅವರು ನಾನು ಗುರ್ತಿಡಿಯುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ನಾನು ದಿನ ಅಂತಂದ in sometimes in video calls also they don't recognize me also.
So from which place you came?
I came from Bangalore.
Okay, how far it is from Bangalore?
600 kilometer.
600 kilometer. You came from so far distance to Bangalore at our center. So can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes sir.
Thank you so much for the permission, and those who are watching this video, please write in the comment box what changes you are observing. If you are able to see any positive changes, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for the watching.